I know y'all love to eat. And just like in our last video with Links Dow about NFT memberships for golf clubs, there are now NFT memberships for the fine dining experience. Mwah. Well, Gary Vee told me he has a new NFT project that has now partnered with the best sushi restaurant in Manhattan, Fly Fish Club NFT. This is the world's first members only fine dining club where membership is purchased on the blockchain. Fish Club NFT has released 1,501 tokens, which raked in a total of $15 million for the NFT project. These tokens, which also serve as memberships for the exquisite fine dining experience, had two tiers. As of Friday, the lower tier regular membership could be purchased on secondary markets for around $14,000 per membership. Now on the other side of this, the exclusive membership, this tier could be purchased for about $30,000 per membership. Of course, this upper tier membership doesn't come without its special benefits. Now the members of this tier, they got access to a private room serving omakase, where a sushi chef comes in and serves a full multi-course sushi meal. David Rodelit, who's the CEO and founder of this restaurant and hospitality group spearheading this NFT project, has already gone on record to say that there's more to an NFT project and a longevity of a project than just selling tokens and that being it. It's also about people actively using the tokens on a day-to-day basis and utilizing their memberships on a frequent basis. For these reasons, even though he's already done a great job and the entire project has done a great job having already sold out of the 1,501 tokens, he has held back another 1,500 tokens to be distributed at a later time for people to pick up, whether these be on collaborations or special events. Owning this Fly Fish Club NFT will give owners access to more than just the exclusive restaurant. With this membership, they will also have access to various culinary, cultural, and social experiences. From what we know already, there's going to be a yacht party in Miami, a pop-up in the Hamptons, an omakase and wine tasting up in New York, all ahead of the Fly Fish restaurant opening up in New York this next year. Personally, with everything going on with FFC, I believe that this is really going to change the entire restaurant business in the future. Of course, you're already seeing certain NFTs offer tokens for special meet and greets, but nobody is doing it like Fly Fish Club. They're offering a membership where you can already have exclusive access to the sushi chef, but they're giving IRL perks to people who are in the virtual world. Fly Fish Club is about to change how we see luxury items, luxury goods, and luxury services. Now, a lot of people, they might go out, they might buy the newest Louis Vuitton, but of course, unless you keep it in pristine condition, you can't sell it back for more than you got it. And like we talked about in the Links Down video, you can get a membership to a very exclusive golf course and country club, but what can you really do with that membership besides go there, golf, enjoy the amenities? You can't really do any type of renting it out, leasing out your membership, none of that. But guess what? FFC is here to change that. You can not only rent out your membership or lease it, you could definitely sell it to other people as well, which gives other people access to be able to join the club and partake in the amenities and events that are going to be upcoming. And secondly, FFC is here to upgrade social networks and how we see them well into the future. Now, if you were able to get into Flyfish NFT early on, you would have got it for a steal. But now it is a little bit more expensive, but think about this. The network of people that you'll have access to. If you save up just for about, let's say 6 months, even if you save up for a year and start purchasing a membership, or even if you're able to lease one out, rent one out, now you have access to be able to talk to different millionaires, go to different yacht parties, go to the Hamptons, damn it. You could get all these different things and all these different amenities for the low price of whatever the membership is going for, and this is for sure going to change the future. No more getting priced out, no more having to be invited just to get exclusive access. All you have to do is go to their website or go to OpenSea, get your NFT, and hey, now you are able to get into anything and everything involved with FFC. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and check out Flyfish Club and see what they're offering. With Gary Vee behind this, I really don't see how this is going to be a losing project, but hey, everybody has their own likes, own their opinions, so make sure you check it out. And of course, if you haven't seen our last video on Links Down, go check it out right here. Yes, another NFT membership, changing the way that we see NFTs.